So you've been wearing your Garmin Instinct watch and you've been getting invalid storm alerts. What that means is you're either getting the storm alert and the weather's perfectly fine, or it's stormy and you're not getting a storm alert. You want to adjust it. We're going to look at how to do that. I'm using the first generation Garmin Instinct Solar. Everything I'm showing you, we have to do on the watch itself. If you've got the second generation or later, you could also do this setting on the Garmin Connect app. There's a couple different ways we can get to this setting. The easiest way is from your main watch face, press and hold the bottom right button, which is the set button. It's going to take you into a listing called your set options. Now you might not land exactly where I landed. It'll always put you back on the last item you were in. You can use the up or down button depending on which value you landed on. But what you want to do is get to the bottom of the list. You can see this little bar over here shows you where you are. When you're at the bottom, the very last option is alerts. It's kind of a quick look at all the alerts you have turned on for your watch. We're going to simply press the GPS button to go into our alert settings. We're going to use the down button, go to storm, press GPS to go into our storm alert, and then we can adjust the rate by pressing the down button and going to rate. You can see that mine is set to 3 millimeters of mercury within a 3-hour period. What that's basically saying is if there's a change of 3 millimeters of mercury in my case, in 3 hours, the storm alert's going to go off. If I need to adjust that, I can press the GPS button and I can change that to a different value. You're seeing millimeters of mercury in my case because that's what I have my barometer unit set to. If you'd rather have hectopascals or something else, you can adjust that as well. I've done a video in the past that shows you how you can adjust your barometric pressure units. But set it to whatever value you want to. I always say play with this a little bit. If it's too sensitive, adjust it. If it's not sensitive enough, adjust it, but do gradual adjustments until your storm alerts are accurate. I can say this, I use mine as delivered from Garmin and mine seem to be pretty accurate. Once you've got it set, simply press the back button and that'll get you back to your alerts. Press it back a couple of times, get you back to your main watch face. That's one way to get to the setting. The other way you could have done it is through the barometer widget. I'll show you that real quick. I'm going to use the down button. I'm going to go to my widget listings. You have to have the barometer widget available or viewable in order to get there this way. When you're on your barometer, simply press and hold the menu button. The very first option you will see is barometer options. Press the GPS button to go into your options. Then we can use the down button again to go to storm alert. It's basically going to be the exact same place we were at before. We're just getting there a different way. I'm going to press GPS on storm alert. I'm going to press the down button to go to rate. And again, this is where I could go in and adjust the rate for my storm alert. Really simple stuff. It's pretty cool that Garmin gives you this. There's a lot of watches on the market that'll do a storm alert, but they don't give you the option to change the rate at which you get the storm alert. It's cool that Garmin gives you that. Play with it. Get that storm alert right. It's a cool feature once you've got it set correctly. I hope the video helped.